Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I found a really cool Thingiverse file and I am going to review this print from file to final print. Let's get into it. So this cool file that I found is called Stretchy Bracelet by designer Emmett, and it is meant to be worn as a bracelet. The reason why I chose it is because it looks funky for a bracelet and I really love funky stuff. Anyway, if you are interested in this designer's file, I'll be putting the link down in the description below. So now, let's download this file and we head to the slicer. And here we are in the slicer. This file loads pretty smoothly and there is no mesh repair needed. This print has good self-supporting geometry and requires no support. According to the description, set the slicer settings to 0 infill, 0 extra shell, and 0 solid layer. And to put it simply, it's just base mode. Also, depending on your wrist size, just scale it accordingly. For myself, I am using the original file size, which is 55 mm inner diameter. After slicing, the cylinder in the middle should disappear, forming a torus bracelet. The total filament used is about 5 grams and the total printing time is around 15 minutes. This seems like a quick and easy print. Now we are ready, so let's start printing. As you can see here, the bracelet is pretty flexible due to its 0 extra shell and 0 infill. I have also printed 2 variations of this bracelet by the same designer just to test it out. Overall, the quality of the print seems pretty good. Due to the sharp edges of the bracelet, it is actually pretty hard and a little bit painful to get it on. But however, you can turn the bracelet inside out and it will kind of expand and it'll be easier to get it onto your wrist. If you want a more comfortable experience putting them on, I would recommend doing some post-processing. Just look at how pretty these bracelets are. I am now testing the real-world usability of this. I totally forgot that I was wearing the bracelet after a long day. I think that says a lot about it. But however, the bracelet is a little bit uncomfortable to wear during work. And now it's time for the print review system. For printability, design quality, and aesthetics, I gave all a 5 out of 5. For practical usability and whether it is beginner friendly, I gave all a 4 out of 5. And that gives it a total of 23 out of 25. Once again, I would like to credit Emmett for the bracelet. Thank you Emmett for the wonderful bracelet. If you like this designer's bracelet, I'll be putting the link in the description below. Do like, share, and subscribe for more review videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye!